Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an ordinary cassette from the freehub body which sits on the inside of the cassette. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I make new bike repair and more exotic bike restoration videos regularly. The first thing I do is actually remove the skewer, and then I put on a chain whip. You need to put on a chain whip like this to hold the cassette in place while you place a lockring removal tool on top of the lockring. That lockring holds the cassette in place on the freehub body and needs to be removed. You turn the lockring removal tool ordinary counterclockwise to loosen the lockring and just take it off. Once the lockring has been removed, you can also remove the cassette. The first sprocket or the first two sprockets are most of the time they're loose sprockets, and the rest of the cassette goes off as a whole. This is a very old 8-speed cassette. Newer cassettes come away in like 3 to 4 parts. And that's it. Then the cassette is removed.